If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I have a Mamod TE1a traction engine. Well, now I have another. This model cost me £60 from a Darlington vintage store, and as you can tell it needs a lot of TLC, the firebox is rusted, the wheels are dirty, and that's all I know at the moment, but we're going to have a closer inspection of this now. So as you can see, first off the wheels are quite freely moving. This is an old one, it has a boiler filler plug and not a gauge glass. This one is missing its burner and scuttle, but they're easy enough to find. This one does have its original canopy, and I can take it off now. Like that, but then for some reason it won't come off the rest of the way. But let's have a close look at the engine itself. So this engine, first off, the reversing lever does nothing. It moves the cylinder slightly, but not much. It is very tight. I have to use my whole hand to turn it over. The whistle feels alright, and the safety valve does actually feel alright as well. But the first thing I'm going to do is loop hit the engine and see if I can get it going a bit smoother. So, got my oil can here. I'm going to put some oil on the moving part. Give it a generous coating, obviously. So see if that made a difference. It certainly made a bit of a difference. See if I can get a bit in the port down the back here. I think the cylinder's too tight on the port face. That's loads better already. There we are. Still a bit tight. Let's just see if I can get a bit more oil on these parts. Yeah, that feels a lot better. I'll have to see if I can get a bit in the piston. I can't. There we are. Get a bit more in the cylinder. Clean up some of the excess on that cylinder there. So now what I want to do is actually attach to an air compressor line to see if the engine will run on compressed air. Now I think it'll go this way, but we'll have to test. Now I'm only going to do a slight bit of positive air at a time. I want to make sure, I don't know what to set the boilers in. That'll promising. There we are. It runs on compressed air, but there's a lot of air leaking. But I'm actually going to leave it there for now. I know, crazy, right? Not going to continue it from there. It'll need a lot more work. But as you guys know, if you know me closely, I've got my GCSEs coming up, and I don't have much time to focus on this. So this is going to be a summer project. So the first episode's come out now. The next episode will be a while away. Now, since I stopped recording, the air compressor is actually fixed the reversing lever. So have a look at this. And then also look at this. I'm going to go the other way. No, I can't. We can work on that. Yeah, look, it travels too far. We'll have to work on that. But thanks for watching, guys.